Huge welcome to our smart reseller community and welcome to another That's a Smart Idea, the weekly 1-minute video that very rarely lasts a minute, where we here at Smart Channel help you, our smart reseller community, sell more smart business products into your customers and add value to your smart business proposition. So today it's my very great pleasure to be joined by my colleague and friend, Glen Harrington. Hi Glen, how are you doing?
I'm very well, Colin. Thank you for having me.
So a lot of people don't realize that Smart we're both a hardware company and a software company. So could you just tell us a little bit about what you do at Smart?
Yeah, so my title at Smart is the International Software Manager. So all things software across the UK and the Nordics. So be that education, business, and the remote management side for the panels as well. So part of the integration, the implementation, the order side of things, and obviously the sales process as well.
We had Keith McDaniel on last week with regards to the smart remote management, which was really good, really informative. And the fact that it's free with a lot of the license, with our maintenance as warranty, is really, really good news. So what I wanted to focus on today really was a question we get asked quite a lot by our resellers out there in the channel. And it's normally around how they claim software licenses. Now, this will be relating to how they might claim Meeting Pro licenses for their boards they've just put into a customer, or how they claim their Teamworks licenses that they might have purchased in addition to the display. Could you just give us a bit of an idea of how the process works on that?
Yeah, certainly. It'd just be easier if I just sort of share my screen to go through the process with you. So the first port of call with anything here is to go into the smart support pages and get the download. So download your software in the first instance. So we can put these links into the comments afterwards because they're quite wordy. So first page, get your download that software. The second thing, once an order has been placed, it triggers one of these emails. So this email comes from our orders@smarttech.com team. So this will go to the end user that's on the purchase order, plus a copy of it goes to the reseller as well. If this goes into the junk or it gets misplaced or anything like that, please do feel free to get in touch with ourselves and we can resend you a copy of this.
So a key thing there, Glenn, a key thing is if you're selling smart products and you're a reseller, if you haven't got that email, as part of your provisioning process, that needs to be pretty much there really to do your install, because you need to have that license key as well, don't you? So
that's it. So it's a definite checklist, this, for when you are doing your install, to make sure you've got this up and ready and you've got the email in place, because what we need here is this unique link. So once you click on this unique link, it will take you then into the Smart Admin portal. So the Smart Admin portal will prompt you then, if you haven't already set up an account, for your name, your company's name, address, etc., and the region that you sit in. And then it will auto-generate a license key for you. So once you've then got that license key generated, click into your Smart Teamworks, and within here, you would just pop in your license key. So copy and paste it into there, tap activate, and away you go.
Yeah, it's fairly straightforward. Once you've got that key, it does make your life a little bit easier, doesn't it? In terms of, you put the installation in, you've got the customer's PC in the room, you put the software on, and then we can carry on with the training. And then it's a happier customer. And I guess as well, you probably have situations as well where someone's put this display in, but the software hasn't been sort of uppermost in terms of the customer's requirements, but they come back in later. They can claim that within sort of like the first 12 months of display, can't they? So they can actually go on and claim that anyway as well.
Absolutely. And again, if it's one of those things where they can't find an email or they can't find a pre-existing license key or anything like that, just get in touch with us and we can get that information to them. So
that's great. Glenn, thank you so much for your time, because I know how busy you are, especially you're covering such a wide area with the Nordics and UK and all that. So really appreciate your time today. Just to point to our resellers, Smart Ideas is for you. This is weekly videos that we're doing to help you to sell more products, to add value to your smart business proposition. So if there are any ideas you'd like us to cover in future, that's a Smart Idea, I'd love you to get in touch with me. Either private message me or drop me a message in the comments below. But after all, I'd just like to say thank you to Glenn again for joining me. And until the next time, that's been a smart idea. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.